Noong nasa ibang bansa pa ako, sinabi ng isang speaker sa lecture, kung titigil ka sa pagtatrabaho ngayon, ilang taon ang family mo makasurvive sa savings mo sa bangko. I check my savings account sa online, computed with our monthly expenses. Na-realize namin na hindi makasurvive ang family namin sa loob ng isang taon pag nawalan kami ng trabaho. It is true na ang income or employment is temporary lang. May katapusan. Tatanda tayo, mawala ng lakas para kumita ng pera at worse, kung magkakasakit at wala ng kakayahang magtrabaho. Since then, we started building our passive income. Started from investment in different investment vehicles that can produce passive income streams. Binuo din namin ang aming emergency fund and started investing in insurance. Yes, insurance is an investment that can save you more money and protect your family. Mahirap kasi makinig at umasa lang sa word na assurance.